Williams and Charlie Wilkins. Walking the street is the only way to make a positive impact.
A fair amount of people we see are actually making progress, which is really nice.
They're part of a program that officially started in April to help keep people in crisis avoid turning a bad situation into something worse.
Ultimately, our goal is to divert people from jail or the hospital that don't need to go to jail or the hospital.
Hey, I've not seen you for a while.
Here, Williams meets Christopher Goheen and hooks him up with a bus pass.
Pretty much taking care as much as I can.
Goheen says if it wasn't for the crisis response unit, he may not be able to get the help he needs.
Well, thank you, Buck. You know,
Take care, man.
Nice to see you. I'd be right here at the bus station asking for change, and that's like completely embarrassing.
Hey, hi. Hi. Hey, buddy. Hey, how you doing, man? I just want to check on you. I don't usually see you just laying down. You're always on the move.
The city says in the past 2 months, the team has responded to nearly 700 calls, and many times the teams are dispatched by police or find the clients on their own. The unit's goal to keep minor issues from ballooning into something worse where police have to get involved.
It's nice to be able to be out in the community and, maybe help them before they get to that point.
The money to pay for the unit comes from a voter-approved levy. And one thing is for sure, these guys are not cops.
We don't, run warrants. We don't, for lack of better terms, we don't snitch on anybody, because in this field, trust is really important.
It's all about building a relationship, says Williams. Sometimes they give free rides to shelters or doctors and even hand out shoes or snacks.
There you go. Peanut butter crackers, my friend.
And while the unit doesn't solely focus on people experiencing homelessness, the majority of their clients are. And with that comes referrals for mental or substance abuse treatment for those who want it.
If we can be there to help on the early onset of all that, it lessens the likelihood that it's going to go further.
In Olympia, Steve Kiggins, Q13 News.
Good to see that they're